Sa kanikunya video na, ये video de mai kai differentiation formula rang ko jakale na problem rang ko solve again iko anga daos kige. So this kang bade ddx of x squared. Tadi iko ra mai ke solve again iko daos solve again. Yan de mai kana iko solve kana gede ya formula ka again. ddx of x to the power n equal to nx to the power n minus 1 ya formula ko ino jakale. So there, x ni power de 2 ini kemen n ni biapo 2 sekarang no, dimana ino 2 ini ber 2 digabung no. Ini kemen nx to the power n minus 1 mau de 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1. This is equal to 2 x to the power 2 minus 1 mau de x to the power 1 again. Ini kemen x to the power 1 de x dan y. Ini kemen 2x. Tadi menggapende ddx of x cube. Option begini kuma. Ya formula kon dakhalim na solve again. Tadi ddx of x cube mau ode nx to the power n minus 1 ode 3 into x to the power 3 minus 1. Nah, cepat siap kana. This is equal to 3 into x to the power 3 minus 1 de x square. Ini 3x square. That is ddx of root x. ddx of root x. Yan nakbawa may kisolve kayo na. Sekarang ba ya x x to the power 1 by 2 ini siya nagdaman gan root x ko. Iko exponential formula lang din eh. Ini man as again ddx of x to the power 1 by 2 ini siya nagdaman na. So the root x ko exponential formula lang its mo de x to the power 1 by 2 kita masih mo iko de school on forever class 9 10 on ya kali man bah. Dimana x to the power 1 by 2 ddx of x to the power 1 by 2 so de ya formula ko takala bejo 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1, so this is equal to half into x to the power. Tadi 1 by 2 minus 1 dapat ang unok minus 1 by 2 ay mo minus 1 by 2. So this is equal to tadi x ni power negative mo de maka na wade denominator na shift ang gina ini gaman 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 ligong sekarang. Ikan make masih mana x ni power negative mo de wa denominator na shift ang bagian ini gaman ia denominator na tambah. So this is equal to 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 ko root x nesis kana naman. Ini gaman ddx of root x de 1 by 2 root x. ddx of 1 by x. So the ddx of 1 by x. If I make it solve again, in order to get a formula, ddx of u by v equal to v ddx of u minus u ddx of v by v square. Ya formula ko sa pagganyan. So ini de u de 1 v de x. So the ddx of 1 by x is equal to sekarang about x ne x ddx of 1. Then sign de minus ini sama de 1 ddx of x divided by denominator de x ini man x square. Ya form ibenga v ddx of u minus u ddx of v by v square. Ya form ibenga ide. So this is equal to the x into ddx of 1. Tadi ya 1 ara mana constant ne. ddx of constant ne ddx of constant is equal to 0 ne. ddx of constant de pangnan 0 ini men ddx of 1 de 0 minus 1 into d dx of x there 1. So divided by x squared. So this is equal to x into 0 to 0 minus 1 into 1 to 1 by x squared. So this is equal to 0 minus 1 there minus 1 by x squared. Newman d dx of 1 by x there minus 1 by x squared. So the d dx of 1 by x squared is equal to, so that's again you know ba d dx of u by v ya formula ko sa kagyan u de 1 v de x squared. So there it's going to go x squared d dx of 1 minus ini sama there 1 d dx of x squared divided by v ni biya ko x squared ne aro square dum kuya they already squared one ini man x squared whole square sama no iko mistake kana gana namja they already squared one hindi ba formula ba square dum kaya ini man square double umya ini man x square whole square. So this is equal to x square into d dx of 1 is 0 minus 1 into d dx of x square 2 x to the power 2 minus 1 1 d dx of x to the power n formula ko sa kalim na siya 2x to the power 2 minus 1. So the x square whole square x to the power 4. So this is equal to x square into 0 is 0 minus 1 into 2x to the power 2 minus 1 2x divided by x to the power 4. So this is equal to 0 minus 2x minus 2x by x to the power 4. So this is equal to kosak ni x kama ni x cancel ode minus 2 by x cube skano. Ini man d dx of 1 by x squared minus 2 by x cube. d dx of x square minus 2 equal to there d dx of u minus v your formula for again d dx of u minus v. This is equal to d dx of u minus d dx of v your formula for again. So this is equal to d dx of u x square arang jok u 2 arang jok v. Ini man d dx of u ngode d dx of x square minus d dx of 2. So this is equal to d dx of x to the power n formula ko sa kalbo n x to the power n minus 1 ini man 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1 minus d dx of 2 manere 2 are a constant d dx of constant common 0 in 0. So this is equal to 2x to the power 2 minus 1 minus 0 there 2x 2 minus 1 1 in x to the power 1 1 ano nga ini answer there 2x. d dx of sin square x. So there there's a formula d dx of uv equal to u d dx of v plus v d dx of u. Ini formula ko sa kagyan. Terus kan lupa iko uv ni formula apa nagdade ya sin square x ko gigni ke break kananggen sin x into sin x lagi. So this is equal to d dx of sin x into sin x. Take a scan of the maniaco. So this is equal to u, v. Given u mode sin x ddx of v mode ddx of sin x. So there sin there plus given for the v, u v given option a given v there sin x given ddx of u mode ddx of sin x. Sin x into ddx of sin x te betana cos x. Ikure skangba video na ini formula ko na ha ddx of sin x te cos x ne formula ko diskrabo mujodi ko so kana manjwa. So plus sin x into ddx of sin x 7 option cos x. So this is equal to sin x cos x plus sin x cos x gini an option gini ko add kawde 2 sin x cos x. So this is equal to 2 sin x cos x te betana sin 2x. मैं कहना दिखे माना ना ऐसा फॉर्मूला हुआ sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. यह फॉर्मूला हुआ ये को दे trigonometry of पढ़ाई बाहा trigonometry chapter को नीना हमगे ने इको मशीन होता है तो यह फॉर्मूला को दे trigonometry chapter वन केन class 11 नी trigonometry of sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. यह फॉर्मूला को इनो चकला 2 sin x cos x नी बिया को sin 2x.